Hello, I'm Tejas and welcome to another project review video. In this one I'm going to talk about Moodify. Moodify is an app that plays music based on your mood, and it is developed by myself, one of my friends Mehul, and one of my other friends Shreyas. So three of us have built this app, and what it exactly does is it monitors you from your webcam, and based on your facial expressions it gives out the best possible songs uh, that are uh, that are uh, that are on Moodify's database. So you can upload as many songs as you want, and you can tag them with various moods, and it will give out the songs in whatever situation, whatever feeling, and whatever mood you are. So at the moment this app is completely event driven, so you have to click a button and then it will take a snapshot from your webcam. It will send it to the back end where the picture will be analyzed, the mood will be captured, and based on that songs will be pulled out from the database and will be sent to the front end. Now there are a couple of other things as well that need to be implemented, that is the search bar and the friend section. So this is like the first working stage of Moodify that I'm showing here. I'll be using some stock images for some moods, and uh, I'll be posing for some because I'm not that good of an actor to pose for other moods. So I unless I'm really angry, I can't pretend to be angry. So I'll be using stock images for that. So let's begin. We'll begin with a sad image first. So as you can see, this I've pulled up a stock image. It's random, and I'll just use that to check. So it says you seem to be sad, and it has pulled up these songs. So you can customize songs based. So you can upload like hundreds and thousands of songs in the database and tag them with moods, and it will give the appropriate songs, right? So you can just play either of these. I'll just demo this song, right? Yeah. So these are like the sad songs, and there's one more thing that I wanted to show, that is this horizontal scrolling that we've built. So you can see it just keeps on rotating that particular array, and it took us a lot of time to build this horizontal scrolling. We took about like I guess around five hours to think of a proper logic and then implement it. So it really took us a lot of time to build this infinite scrolling because we are rotating the array back and forth based on which button we're clicking, right? The next mode that we'll be seeing is the angry moods. I've pulled up another random image from the internet, and I'll be testing that. Right, so it says you seem to be angry, and there's only one song tagged with angry in the database, and that's the reason it's only showing one of all the uploaded songs. So I can play this as well, right? You can like change the volume. So this one is a player library that can be downloaded from npm. So it has very nice features of maintaining a queue, and you can change the volume and many other features it has. The third mode that we'll be checking is the surprise mode. So I have pulled up another random image from the internet which shows an expression of surprise. So we'll be testing that. Right, so this one, and I'll just do. So it says you seem to be surprised. Now unfortunately I don't have any songs in the database for the surprised expression at the moment, but I plan on adding them in the upcoming videos. And for the next mode, that is happy, I can just smile, or I can just laugh, and it will detect the happy mood. So I'll show you that. right? So it says you seem to be happy, and it has pulled up songs based on that, and I can play either of these, right? The last one, the last mode that we have is I'll just show you. So right, so it says neutral, you seem to be neutral, and these are the songs that you can listen to when you're neutral. So I can play either of these again, right? And again the infinite scrolling is still there, right? So this is pretty much it that we've built till now, but we plan on adding more features in terms of this friends section right here, and in terms of sending the camera stream in real time to the backend. So we're working on that part of the project, and soon we're planning to have it hosted on a proper domain. Let's see where it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much of it for this video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That's it. Yeah.